5, 4, 3, 2. You're missing out on all the fun today, folks, if you're holding back. 1,350 we've got with Charette. 1,400, there we go. Know how to buy real estate here today. 10 more, 50 more, 100. It's only money. 1.470, that's the way to do it. 470 back on top now. 1,490, good, I like it, Cherie. 1.5, thank you, Sunny. Good job. Good news, folks. The boss has spoken. Cherie said we're on the market and selling. Sold stickers going on. Champagne's going out. Once, twice, third, final time. We are sold. Well bought. Thank you very much for coming out and supporting another McGrath Box Hill auction. Congratulations.
Today is a big day. So happy with the auction result. The team, Sherry and Sunny, is so great. It's great. They're so good. Wonderful result. So happy. 今天成功的拍卖了这个房子，结果非常的满意。他们这个团队非常的好 ，Sherry、Sunny 都很给力，整个团队都非常的努力，结果很满意。谢谢。